will be done. No fear shall break, no chain shall bind. For brothers and sisters, side by side. Raise your shield, hold the line. Together we stand in fate's design. Through darkest night and raging tide, Nordthra's kin will never divide. When shadows rise and thunder calls, we lift each other. When one falls, no blade shall sever, no foe shall break the bond we forge, the oath we take. Raise your shield, hold the line. Together we stand in fate's design. Through darkest night and raging tide, Nordthra's kin will never divide. In frozen halls and fields of red, we carve our names in what lies ahead. Through song and steel, through war and peace, our unity shall never cease. In frozen halls and fields of red, we carve our names in what lies ahead. Through song and steel, through war and peace, our unity shall never cease. So sing with me, our voice is strong. For Nordthra's kin shall march on wrong. Bound as one by honor's might, together we rise, together we fight. Together we fight.